everybody, and today I'm going to be doing another Subnautica tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get cheats activated on Subnautica. So basically, I don't know if you've seen this from other YouTubers, but when you're activating cheats, there's usually going to be a little text box in the bottom, like left down here. So, but then you realize that there's no button that actually activates that. So what you need to do to activate that is you need to first click F3, and then what you need to do is click F8. So when you click F8, you'll see this little thing comes up. So now what you need to do is you need to come up to here and click this. Now, mine is obviously was already disabled, so you want to make sure that there's nothing in this box. Mine was already disabled, so you need to make sure this box is empty. I repeat, make sure this box is empty. If this box is full, you won't be able to use any cheats at all. So you need to make sure it's empty. Okay, then you need to click F8 and F3. And now you fully exited out. Once you're fully exited out, then what you want to do is click enter. So when you click enter, you'll see that this little thing comes up. And there's a lot of different types of commands. Now, I'm just going to show you guys some of the simple ones because I'm not really going into depth on all the videos on the commands today. But I'll show you guys fully them in a little bit. So basically, how these commands work is when you click enter, you just need to type a mob you want to spawn. So if I want to spawn a cuttlefish or a cute fish, for example, then what I want to do is click enter and then spawn. Okay, so spawn space cute fish, and there's my cute fish. If I want to spawn maybe a stalker, spawn stalker, and see, it'll spawn a stalker right over there. Now you can spawn anything other than the sea emperor, I'm fairly sure. So I mean, I could summon a Reaper Leviathan if I really wanted. I'm not going to do that in this video because then it might mess up my world, and I'll always have a Reaper going around. And even though I'm in creative, the Reaper will still attack me and ruin my stuff. So I'm not going to do that in this video, but I hope this helped. I hope this showed you guys how to do all this. So for another time, just spawn and then whatever you want to spawn except the Sea Emperor. So you can spawn Reaper Leviathan. I'm not going to because that's scary. You can spawn Ghost Leviathan. You can spawn anything you really want to. So I hope that helped. I'm going to post link in the description for all of you guys to see different spawn command IDs if you want to spawn a Ghost Leviathan, the exact ID to spawn it, or if you want to teleport somewhere. You can even teleport to the lava zone to go instantly see the Sea Emperor, or you can spawn like ion cubes. You can do anything you want to. So I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe. And help me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.